Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the reasons behind the expansion of public enterprises. Indian economy after the independence was an agrarian economy with weak industrial base. यानी भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था स्वतंत्रता के बाद भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था का बेस औद्योगिक न होकर के एग्रीकल्चरल था. In addition, high employment rates, house savings and investments rates, and lack of infrastructure were plagued by problems. The Indian economy required a major push for redress. The public sector responsibility was continuously reflected due to the indifferent approach of the private sector due to lack of finance and the risk involved in large long-term investments. Thus, government intervention through the public sector was necessary for self-sustaining economic growth, diversification, diversifying the economy, and removing economic and social backwardness. The rationale or reasons for expansion of public sector enterprises in India can be explained under the following subheadings. The first is rate of economic growth. The rationale for public enterprises in India was based on the fact that the targeted rate of economic growth planned by the government cannot be achieved by the private sector alone. Number two, resource allocation and pattern of public enterprises. The pattern laid down for allocation of resources under the schemes was also areas on for expansion of the public sector. The second plan emphasized on industries and mining under the public sector, mainly basic capital goods industries. Thus, through the public sector arrangements were made to mobilize economic resources for industrialization. Third, removal of regional disparities through public enterprises. Another important reason for the expansion of public sector was to fulfill the need to bring about balanced developments by removing regional disparities in different part of the country. जो तीसरा महत्वपूर्ण रीजन है पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस के एक्सपेंशन का वो ये है कि पब्लिक सेक्टर जो कि हेल्प कर रहा है बैलेंस डेवलपमेंट और उसके साथ साथ में जो रीजनल डिस्पैरिटीज है देश में उसे कम करने में मदद करता है एंड पब्लिक एंटरप्राइजेस वेयर एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन एरियाज दैट वेयर underdeveloped and where local resources were not sufficient. Industrial development of the surrounding areas was done by projects like three steel plants at Bhilai, Rourkela, and Durgapur, and Newly projects at Madras. Now, okay, guys.